Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to replace color on your image in Pixlr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open now the official Pixlr website right here, pixlr.com if you haven't already. And after opening the website, now we can go ahead and start with logging into our account. So here in the upper right corner, we'll have the login option that we can use, or we can just go ahead and create a new account if we do not already have one. And after logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page where we can access the photo editor. So guys, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the photo editor right here. After opening a photo editor, it's going to open up this new menu where we can get started with opening up the image that we want to color replace for. I already have my image right here, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up. So here is our image and here is our menu of all the options and tools that we can use for managing our photo. So let's go ahead and see how to color replace. So guys, at the tool option right here, we're going to go ahead and find the option that we want to use, and one of the options we can use is under the adjust bar. As you can see under adjust guys, once we open it up, we'll have the color option right here. So now we can go ahead and get started with managing our color. So you can go ahead and increase the vibrance, saturation and so on until you get your desired color effects right here and how you want to use it. But what we can use as well is the effect option, where we can get started with using all the effects that's going to change the color of our image. So you can go ahead and find the one that works the best for you. You'll also have your AI tools right here if you need them, as well the liquify option and retouching if you want to retouch some parts of the picture. After that, you'll be able to replace your colors that you need in the image and save your new image. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.